Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to talk about how to sow corn into this net house. We have prepared this net house by cultivating the soil with tiller, and then we have used the rotavator and level it. And after that we have spread the drip also. Now if you are interested in knowing how I have prepared this field, then you can go to the video which I have put couple of days back, how to prepare the soil quickly. Now our soil is ready and we are going to sow the corn into it. Now corn can be grown from the seed. Corn takes normally 110 to 120 days for the getting full crop. But as we are going to put sweet corn seed into this soil, we are going to harvest a fresh crop from the corn plant. So we will be harvesting it around 80 to 90 days. Now here we are going to put corn as a change crop, as corn can break the cycle of many diseases and insects into the vegetable garden. So we are using this corn as a change crop. Also we are going to put corn as a mixed crop with some legumes, and both are beneficial to each other. So here we are going to sow corn in all the ways. Now first we are talking about the distance. Now as you see this, we have prepared this soil and put this drip line at 4 feet distance. Now corn, if you plant individual, then normally it is planted at 2 foot row distance, and plant to plant distance normally maintain 8 to 10 inch for the good amount of the plant density. But here we are going to put corn seeds around 8 to 9 inch on the either side of drip. So the line to line distance will be 1.5 feet, and we are going to put corn at every 1 feet. So it will maintain the average distance required by the corn and will get the good yield. Now wherever we are going to sow single crop, we are going to put the 2 line of corn. And where we are going to put a mixed crop, we are going to put 1 line of corn and the other line of the other type of seed. Now for sowing, it is very simple. For sowing, best sowing in the open field, you can first wet the field, cultivate it and sow it with some tool. In another method, you can put the seed directly into the soil. In this method, you need to do all the work manually. But here, we are going to sow it with this single row seeder. With this seeder, we have set the plate to put one seed every alternate hole, and that will maintain, this is the 6 inch, so it will maintain around 1 foot distance cone to cone, and we are going to put couple of double line and couple of single line. Now we need to sow the normally cone at around 1.5 to 2 inch distance, but here the machine is meant for putting the seed at 1.5 inch distance. So once we sow all the seeds, we'll start watering into it, and that will give us the good germination into the corn. Initially we'll give little water. Once the germination occurs, we'll give little stress to develop the root system, and then we'll start giving the more water. So right now, first we'll sow the seeds. Now here are the hybrid seeds. These are the sweet corn seeds, and you can see that the seeds are with a coating. So we need not to do any more coating. So we simply need to put these seeds into this and start sowing corn into this line. So now you can see that how we are sowing with this seeder. Simply we are pushing this seeder for putting the seed every 1 foot, and we are going to do it very quickly with the help of this seeder. Once we complete the sowing, we'll start water into the drips and we'll wet it the soil so that the sprouting of corn starts, and we'll get the good germination for the corn. So now you can see this corn which has sprouted and established well. Now we have watered them thoroughly, but before that we have watered them twice at 3 to 4 days interval for the good germination. Once the germination has occurred, we haven't given any water, and we have stressed that plant to have a good root development. Now once it is reached to the 3 to 4 leaf stage, we have given them water thoroughly for that growth. And you can see that uniform sprouting and equidistant plantation of this cone with the help of seeder. You can also do it with the seeder with a very less seed, very accurate plantation of the corn. Happy growing!